Hi there, I'm Rian Simpson, and this is my Project One Arduino Morse code translator. I've got my Arduino micro set up here with my LED and resistor, and to demonstrate its functionality, I will type "Hello World" into the serial monitor, and it's going to begin translating the message. It works for all letters, numbers, and incorporates spaces into the mix as well. And additionally, can be interrupted using sentinels like so. To demonstrate the functionality with numbers, and I'm going to just cut it off here for brevity. Thank you for watching in this demonstration.